Hello dear friends, today I will show you how to quickly and easily speed up a slow or normal internet connection for a much better online experience. Video on YouTube, set speed to x2, so let's go to YouTube. The channel is already open. Let's turn on another one. Let's begin this video now, and subsequently, we will need to assess this speed. We will engage in a standard conversation, a typical one that you might expect in everyday life. Speed. To make it faster, we need to tap the screen, after which we will see the gear icon on the right, which you need to press. Here we see the speed setting, the second button at the bottom. We press it and here we can choose a specific speed that we want. So let's select the speed of 2.0. After that, we will click on the begin by turning on the screen and then take a moment to observe what appears before you. As you can see, friends, the method worked. Dear friends, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments if my method helped you. See you soon.